So basically, we're trained to think from kindergarten. Think about this. Our mindset, the environment that we lived in right now to this day, a lot of people, a lot of college graduates, people that are actually going from elementary school to high school, they've been trained to think that they have to go to school for 40 hours a week, every single week, right? And what happens after that? You go to college, right? And you go get it, start doing your degrees, whatever. After that, you get trained to get a job, 40 hours a week, every single week. So, how crazy is that? How can you just settle for less, right? How can you settle for just like a little bit, right? A lot of people think so small. You gotta think big, man. You gotta think freaking tremendously big that, people think you're crazy. That's how big you gotta think of. And that's something that I did in my life that, I just started thinking bigger in my life, making bigger goals. And, going from right to left, meaning that when people went right, I went left. When people went right, I went left. And when people went left, I went right. So, it's something I did, and it helped me out in my life. It really changed my life from, not listening to people that did not have what I wanted, and, just taking no for an answer and listening to the right people that actually had what I wanted. At age 17, quitting my job, I used to work at McDonald's. My first job was at McDonald's, from nothing to something, and I knew that I wouldn't be there for a long time. I just knew that it was just a temporary struggle, just to get me, just to get me by, just to make my feet wet. Give me some money in my pockets just to get me started with what I have now. But basically, what I want to tell you is just don't settle for less, man. Don't settle for less. Go out there, get what you deserve in life, and go out there and be hungry every single day. So go out there, every single day, show up, but go out there and not just about yourself. Don't just think about yourself. Go out there and think about how can you help the world? How can you change the game in the world so people can actually engage with you? And how can you grow what you have right now? What you're working on, the culture that you're working on, how can you grow that to the next level and actually help somebody else and give back to the community, man. Make sure you follow my YouTube channel. Make sure that you're following my social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat. Follow everything if you want to see the most exclusive content I'm providing every single day. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you turn those notifications on, man. Let's get it.